see details on how you can complete a project like this. It doesn't matter what you're working on, because you can take the foundational bodywork application steps and apply it to any job that you're working on. All right, so for instance, we're gonna cover the safety, the tools that you're gonna be needing. We're gonna cover sandpaper, grits, DA, some of the basic tools. We're gonna put a two-tone paint job on this thing. Okay, so all you gotta do right now to make sure you don't miss out on this special training is click right over here or down below on the YouTube description, and you're gonna be going to a website called LearnAutoBodyAndPaint.com/GoodVan, because it's a GoodVan project, okay? /GoodVan. Subscribe. Okay, so the first thing you want to do when starting any project is to make sure that the project is clean. Okay, so I highly recommend using a good car wash with no wax in it. Okay, you don't want any type of additives in it. You just want a regular degreasing car wash. What's good is a little bit of Dawn dish soap in a bucket. Not too much where it foams up like crazy, but just a little. And that's a perfect degreasing wash to wash down your project, to take out the oils and just crap that's in the paint. Okay, because it's just, this is an old truck. It's a 1999 single stage paint job. I believe it looks original to me. The respray looks original to me. It was painted. It was a Board of Water Supply vehicle company truck, painted probably after they bought it new to match the company colors. Wash the rims. We're gonna wash the tires, wash everything, hose it out. After that, we're gonna go around with a marker, kind of just mark the areas where we need to do our body work. Let's go ahead, bring it around the front and wash it down. You don't want to use a car wash that says wash and wax, okay? Because what we want to do is remove the wax and silicone and grease, okay, road grease, grime from the body. I'll take this Dura block out. Okay, so we have a couple of sanding blocks over here. Okay, we're gonna go over this stuff super quickly here. Of course, we have other tools like the straight sander. Okay, but we're not gonna be doing any large flat repairs using the straight sander. But we cover all these other things in Learn Auto Body VIP as well. If you decide to upgrade to the VIP course, it's all in there for you. So first thing we're gonna do, little minor dents. This is not even a dent, that's just a chip, because what did I do? I did something and our door hit the fender. Something happened, forgot what it was, but I ended up pulling the fender out and it fixed it. Okay, so it's like now it's not touching, if you see. Okay, we're gonna end up taking the mirrors off because the mirrors are gonna be painted black. As well as parts of the top here, because we're going to black out the wind, basically make it look like a wraparound window. So in here is going to be taped off. We're going to go black, or I might even go black the whole thing under the drip rail along with this post. I might come down here and just black it all. I don't know yet. Again, we're just going to handle the body work step by step first, and then do it. So these type of things here, we're going to grind out. We're going to see, looks like they filled it before with a glaze putty or a light body filler. Looks like it right there, okay? So we're going to grind this little thing out. A little dent right here I just noticed. Okay, we're going to lightly grind that. Okay, light things like these little, here, we got another little rust spot right here, okay? We're going to just lightly grind that. Again, this is going to be a fast paint job, but it's going to look really, really good. Okay, it's a 1999 super old work van. If you look inside, things really beat up. Okay, it's really beat up. I got my machete. All right, it's my kind of like surf van, work van, whatever you want to call it. We're not going to do door jambs at this point. And then when doing color changes in door jambs, again, you could do it all in one shot if you want to. you know, as far as the paint process, you're gonna make sure you have to take all your weather stripping out. When they painted it enamel, they never did. You can see it. And I'm probably gonna end up, I don't know if I might just paint over it, because I'm definitely not gonna spend my time cleaning this weather strip up. I don't have the patience for that. So it's up to you. If you have a situation like this, you could just, this one we're definitely gonna spot weld, pull that out for you, show you how to pull out a dent, flatten it out with, probably could even use, yeah, we'll use a DA for this. We could use a straight sander, but we'll use the DA for that, shaping it. Pretty much it. We're gonna be taking these lights out. This is gonna be black. This whole black back piece here is gonna be black. Okay, below is gonna be white. I might